In today's video I want to show you guys how you can easily set up IPTV on your Hisense TV. For the first step, go on the home button here, and then we can also we can go all the way to the left here into the search bar, and here we can look for IPTV, or we can go down here into the app line and then go all the way to the right until we get to the App Store. Click on it, and here in the App Store we can download many different IPTV apps. So we have like IPTV Smartest Pro or like TV Mate. Or we have like down here on featured apps like Mega IPTV. So I go here on the top on the search bar, and here I type in IPTV. So here PTV, and then go here on search bar, and now we have like here IPTV Smartest Pro. So this is a nice IPTV. Or when we go here to the right, we have many different IPTVs. So like this here, IPTV Smartest. And we also have like TV Mate or something we can download. So when we find something here, then we can click on it, and then we can easily install it. And this is all we have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.